Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today, oh guys, I'm so excited. I have my VanLilys subscription box. It came in the mail. I have not peeked at all and I'm so excited to share this with you. So let's go ahead and get started. All I've done is take the tape off so I can open it up. That's it. We're doing this together. So you open it up and the first thing you see is the sticker, and it says turn your budget into something beautiful, one sticker at a time. And of course it comes packaged really pretty with some tissue paper. So let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh. Okay, so we always get the crinklies. Everything is always packed really nice. So let's take this out. We'll do this one thing at a time, shall we? Okay. This is a magnet, which I love her magnets. They fit nicely on the pages and it's not too heavy where it like weighs the page down. So this is this month's magnet. It's a little record and it says the theme is Bloomin' Groovin' Blast from the Past. And this is subscription box number 5. Now I always have VanLilys linked in my description box below. And I forgot to say this. So this sticker kit or this subscription box, I use the Budget Mom's Budget by Paycheck workbook. And so the stickers and the box that I get is for that budget book. But she has other options as well. So you don't have to have the Budget Mom's Budget by Paycheck workbook to take advantage of her subscription boxes. She has a lot of options, so definitely check her out. But I absolutely love the magnet and the theme so far. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what all is in here. So she does give you a card that says what's inside this month's box. The theme is Bloomin' Groovin' Blast from the Past. Dust off your vinyl and take a step back in time as you set up this month's budget. The perfect shades of blues and pink along with roller skates, radios, and a good old pair of Chucks will awaken the past memories of oldies but goodies. Make them new again this spring. And it says the budget kit is sized to your planner and enough stickers for the month. We get a sticky note, pad for cash breakdown. There's 15 sheets to a pad, the magnetic bookmark, an icon sheet, and 3 cash envelopes for A6 size binders. So we get this card so we know what's in here. We've already seen the magnet, so let's go ahead and pull this out. This is the cash breakdown slip. The lady that is at my bank loves these. She gets so excited to see what cash breakdown slip design I'm gonna bring in each paycheck. It's really kind of funny, but I love this. I love the colors. So this is a sticky pad. So it does have, you know, sticky on the back, and there's enough for more than a month since there's 15 to a pad. I still have these sticky notes from previous months that I haven't used all of. So she gives you a lot of these. Then we have our icon sheet. These are always really fun. So let's open this up because the cellophane is kind of shiny with my ring light on. So we have some pizzas, chicken, fish, sandwiches, bananas, apples, eggs, price of eggs. So we've got medicine, icons for celebrations, car, doctor's appointments, church, travel, pest control for your house, coffee, takeout, payday, gas, groceries, party, tea bags, and pet food. So lots of really cute icons. Then next are our cash envelopes. I love these. Oh my gosh, the colors are so pretty. Okay. So she gives you a box, and I write on these with a permanent Sharpie, and then you can just take some alcohol or nail polish remover and it comes right off. So you can change categories pretty easily. These are laminated, and friends don't let friends use laminated cash envelopes that are not rounded corners. Okay, we don't want to stab ourselves. So I always say this, but her attention to detail is spot on. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. And here's the third one. So cute. So those are nice. They already come punched for your A6 binder. That's nice. And then we have, oh, don't want to forget that. So she always gives a little paper clip that is right in line with the month. Turn it that way. So it is a little music note. Isn't that cute? So we'll put it on the sneak peek. I'll show this to you at the end. We have some pretty deco stickers. These are just individual stickers. So let's see what's in here. So we've got our record, our little radio, and an old-timey microphone. Oh, so cute. Love it. So we got 3 of those, and I think that's it. I got to be careful with these crinklies because my cats love to get into this box. So I have to make sure I seal it up, or else they will have a field day with those crinklies. Okay, so we'll share that in a minute. So let's go ahead and look at this month's sticker kit. So the sticker, this subscription box, I think is right at $40 per month, which is, you know, just a fabulous deal for everything that you get. It is worth every single penny. Okay, I think I got everything out. Okay, so here are the headers for the monthly view. We have the days of the week. We have the days of the month. We have the bill due boxes, which are nice. So, like I said, attention to detail. In the Budget by Paycheck workbook, the boxes on the left are smaller than ones on the right. So she gives you these that are specifically for the left side. So they fit correctly. And so these are for the right side, which is nice. That way everything fits perfectly. This is the sidebar. We've got some more bill due stickers, some washi, and then on every single page, she does not leave any white space. She gives you extra deco stickers, no spends, icons, payday stickers. So there isn't, any white space that she has left. So she gives you extra of all of the things. So here's some more in this space. This is the Paycheck Budget Tracker headers for the 4 weeks. The thoughts and notations, which is down on the right page, down at the bottom. And then here is the headers for each section of the budget. So you've got your inflow, fixed expenses, variable, savings goals, debt, and then total inflow. And I love this because instead of just having a sticker at the top right, top right hand of the page, every section is color coordinated and it just looks so nice. Then we have our cash envelope breakdown. This is on the right side of the budget, and she gives you, so this is for 4 weeks. There is a 5th week down in here in the pile as well. And then again, she's given you, or gives us lots of deco, more icons. This is for the cash envelope breakdown page. So we've got headers for priority goals, the envelopes, the denominations. And again, she's filled the white space with more deco and icons. This is for the 5th week. So this is the cash envelope breakdown, the paycheck bill tracker, all of the headers, the inflow, thoughts and notations. And again, she's filled the white space with more deco. She's redesigned these pages because they didn't used to come like this. I like how she's put these together, the 4 weeks, and then you got the 5th week by itself. This is really nice. So that's that. And then we get expense tracker. So there's 6 expense tracker pages in the Budget by Paycheck workbook. So she gives you enough for each page. But if you don't use all of your expense trackers, or you would like to track your sinking funds, she gives you 2 headers for the sinking funds as well. And then if you still have more pages and you want to do the weekly check-in, she gives you those as well. So that's really nice. So it has the headers, of course, more deco and arrows, the weeks. So this is really nice to have. And then we have the monthly net worth tracker, debt payment plan, you know, covering all the boxes and the headings of each section. More deco, of course. The monthly budget category breakdown page. This is for the meal plan page. So she gives you the header, the days of the week, the days of the month, boxes if you want to put in specific meals. She's added arrows and deco to, you know, fill up this white space, which is fantastic. Then we have the thoughts and notations page. So this is the last page of each month. So she gives us 2 really pretty washies. We got an arrow, sticky notes, lots of arrows, dots, some, what is this? What's the word? Scripts. Lots of check boxes. So plenty to decorate with. And then she gives us these no spends, which are nice to have. And then she gives us the months. So what we use these for is at the top of every single page, there is space to put the month. So she gives you 4 months worth. So let's say I don't want to use this month, and I want to keep, maybe I want to keep this one for August. I have the month for August. I could put this up here, or I could use it in July, June, or May. That just is really nice. So you are not committed to using, you know, this kit this month. So that's really nice. And she gives you enough for every single page. So every page has the month on it, which is really nice. Okay, so that is everything that comes in the kit. This is a lot of stuff for $40. You know, I would challenge you to try to find an Etsy shop that sells maybe these pages individually in cash envelopes, and see how much you would pay for all of these things. And I would say you're going to pay more than $40. And this comes to your door once a month. It's like Christmas every month. I get so excited when I get this box. Okay, so then she gives you a sneak peek of the next month. So let's see what next month is going to look like. Okay, next month, fabulous, flamboyant flamingos. That is a mouthful. That is so cute. So here's our deco. Whoops, I'm going to go over here where the middle of the screen is, Lisa. So that's these, and then these decos. Oh my goodness. Hopefully you guys saw that. It's kind of hard to see where the middle is. Oh my gosh, so excited. So I'm hoping you enjoyed this unboxing of the VanLilysSticker Kit monthly subscription box. That is a mouthful. Again, I will have her link down in the description box below, so go check her out and let her know that I sent you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this month's kit. Do you already subscribe? And if you do, leave a comment. Tell me what you think of it, and let everybody else know if you think that they should invest in the subscription box. My guess is your answer is going to be an absolute yes. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.